So good morning everyone. I am Dr. Ankit. Today I'm going to explore that whether I can go to my workplace through this bicycle or not. I have borrowed a bicycle from my friend Dr. Girish, and this is our bus, USC bus, and we'll be seeing like how much is the time difference, and there is a new lane for bicycle. So let's see. Google Map was showing me that okay, Google Map was showing me that it takes around 25 minutes. It's 8.66 kilometer. So let's see actually by bicycle how much time it takes. So, and there are new lanes put up by Delhi government which we can explore whether how effective and how useful are those lanes. So let's see. I'll be showing you around. You have to be very careful, especially on winters, regarding the air pollution, like early morning or late evening. If there is a high smog, then better not to use bicycle or to do any physical activity during that time, because that could be hazardous or dangerous for your health. I think few minutes. My institute bus has already crossed me, and I'm feeling tired. But let's see, I guess this is all about mental stamina too, with the physical. Let's see how much time does it take. So the thing is, there is one highway. I have to go straight, and I don't know whether I can drive through this highway or not. But I guess I have to. Let's see. These highways are not made for bicycles. I guess these people standing think to stop engine when there is a red light. That's a good initiative, but I don't know how useful is the manpower. Is it in terms of human resources, whether it should be done or not. Let's see. So I have skipped the highway. I'm going through the straight one because I don't think I'll be able to ride on that highway. Just now faced the encounter. My chain got out of its channel, so I have to replace it. I think that is the one issue with bicycle. Let's see. So these bicycle lines are very nice. There are guards on the way. Previously I also saw some policemen standing on this route, so it is used only for bicycle. And these lanes are regularly cleaned. I feel this is a good initiative, something like in Chandigarh it is there. So few issues which I found was that people were riding their bike or scooty over this lane, so which is not good. And also these bicycle lanes are only on limited places, they are not all over the Delhi. And also one issue which I found with bicycle was when you are changing lane on the main road, it's quite difficult because you don't have any indicator, so you have to be very careful while changing a lane. Finally I have reached my destination here. It took me around 40 minutes and Google Map was showing me around 25 minutes to reach here. On the way my bicycle also had a trouble, but for me it's kind of feasible to come here. But I feel like these days I'm not regular with my exercise, so I'm feeling a little more exhausted compared, so I'm planning to go back by bus. But yeah, I feel if I regularly come by bicycle it is possible. Finally reached the OPD and it took me around 40 minutes by clock to reach here, and it is kind of feasible, but I'll say, to workplace. And even though if I do not used to come by bicycle, I used to walk around the bus by the time bus is waiting for others to come up and fill. So that is one way of during the work time you can do exercise and can do a physical activity. So this is workplace physical activity which we can put it up, because most of the people try to do physical activity during their leisure time. But even during your work you can do physical activity, even for people who do housework like homemakers. So they also have a lot of physical activity to climb up, climb down, but that is not done continuously for 30 minutes. If that is done for continuously 30 minutes and increases your heart rate and breathing pattern, so definitely that can be counted as your physical activity. And there are different categories: moderate physical activity or vigorous. So today I came by bicycle and swim. So even during your work, like, people can have a standing table, so they continuously do not sit, because continuously sitting is harmful for your heart. And the people who have long sitting job, they can definitely do a physical activity at working place. कैसे हो? हमारा फिर कैमरा आ गया. I was very much tired to go back on bicycle. गिरीश करेगा?
हाँ करेगा. ये हो गिरीश से.
गिरीश, will you take up this challenge? तो गिरीश 3rd नवंबर से पहले will come on bicycle. ठीक है? Same bicycle.
4th नवंबर.
4th नवंबर is a holiday, man. 3rd नवंबर से पहले.
ये बाइसाइकिल के पीछे कुछ लगा लो ना, मैं पीछे बैठ के आऊँगा, व्यू लूँगा मैं.
So let's see if Girish is able to live up with this challenge. ठीक है? To his words. ठीक है गिरीश?
Was it to take it out?
लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और नोटिफिकेशन बेल दबाओ.
कमेंट करो, घंटी को जरूर बजाना.